Hey guys, so there's no video on the building this week doing the flagging job because started on Monday, bent down, freezing cold, put shovel in ground and my back went. So I've had the whole week off and it's now the weekend and I'm feeling a lot better. But what we have got coming up after the flagging is I've got an oak carport to do and I'm going to need some tools for doing all oak work. So first tool I need is a marking gauge. So what I'm going to do instead of buying them, might as well make them because I have a lathe now. So let's crack on and we'll make a marking gauge. So I've got a big chunk of metal. So we're going to try and make it out of this, and then I have got a bit of round bar. So that'll be his gauge that'll go through there, and then we'll need a pin and maybe some other bits. So it's not planned, so we're just going to crack on and we'll see how it turns out. Right, let's crack on with it. So I've got my bar here. I've took it down to what I like. Looks okay to me. And then now I need to get this bar so it goes through the whole thing. This is 10mm, so we need to drill a 10mm hole. Just flicked it round of the way, and I probably want to take it back to here because I need to get rid of this. It's too wide, so we're going to have to take that back. So that's the plan now. So I've ended up with this. Looks pretty cool. It's not fully polished, but I haven't figured out how to do that properly yet. But I'm pretty happy with that. It looks like brushed chrome, so it's pretty good. Right, let's crack on with the bar now. So that's it. We got a bar through now. Drill the 10mm hole, fits perfect. So we need an hole here. We screw on it or something to hold the bar still, and then a pin on this end, and we should be good. So let's crack on. is the next morning. It's Sunday, and last night I filmed making this to stop, which works nice, but wrong way. So when you tighten it, it holds it. But looking at it this morning, I'm not. It's just not right. It don't look right. I don't like it. So this what it is, I've only got 8mm brass. So that's about as much as I could do it. I tried to flatten it out to make it look a bit better, but it just don't look right at all. I don't like it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a steel one instead. So that's what we're going to do this morning. We're going to finish it off. We're going to make a steel knob and then put a pin on this end, and I've like bashed the end round on this so it don't drop through. So that's stopped that from dropping through. But what I might do is I might recess this where it just sticks up a little bit. So I'll probably put a recess on this little bit just so it goes in nicely and it don't, like now it's gripped odd. So I need to stop it from sticking because it sticks on that end. Right, let's crack on. So I've just been searching through my scrap and I have this, which I've been practicing on to do threads, and it fits. It's the right thread size. So I think what we'll do is we'll make us nut out of this. So when I was parting this off, it overheated and it all went like a purpley black, and then when I've sanded it down, it's left these nice little lines in the middle which I quite like. So I'm going to leave it like that, and then this fits onto here like that. Looking smart. So we have the hole through now, we just need the pin for it now. So I've decided to just put a bit of a thread on it, and then I know it's not going to come loose then. So that's it guys, we're all finished. Put a little pin in there which screws in and out so you can resharpen it with a little head on it. And then I've put a stop on here so it can't come fully out. And then it can't come out that way because it's a pin. Then you just nip this up to whatever you want and you're good to go. I'll do a little test piece there. A piece of wood. See that? Yeah. So works nicely. So that's it for this one guys, and we'll see if we can do something else in garage. But the next video, hopefully we'll get that bloody flagging done. So that's the next plan. Right guys, see you later.